This train is bound for Hamilton Yard. I need routing into Hamilton Yard, please. The next station is Hamilton Yard. This is the end of the line. La siguiente estación es Hamilton Yard. Aquí comienza la línea. If you are not a BART employee and you enter this yard, you will be sent to Woodward Detention Center. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Grain BART, Grain Musico Viaje. A continuación, asestor conecta at itsbart.com. Now I'm board a different train now. Good morning. This is your train from Hamilton Yard to Jacob's Well, Hamilton Yard. Excuse me, correction. This is your train from Hamilton Yard to Cornelius Station. Hamilton Yard to Cornelius Station. This train is bound for Cornelius Station. If you are not a BART employee and you have entered this yard by accident or deliberately, you will be sent to the detention center. Please do not remain in the vehicle when it is entering the yard. Thank you for riding BART and enjoy the rest of your day. The next station is Cornelius Station. Exit here for the Families First Family Resources Center, the Department of Village Safety, the Village Jail, and Woodward Federal Prison. Thank you for riding BART and have a great day. The next station is King's Cross Station. That is your next station, King's Cross.